It's my dog. Say hi, dog. Say hi, Hobie. So, I've been really tired lately since I started going back to school. I was thinking of a way in order for me to stay up during the day, because at night I am just having a hard time going to sleep. So I was thinking of a way in order for me to keep myself energized and keep myself up during the day. So I went on the internet. I was thinking of an exercise that I wanted to follow every day for probably for a week. So I wanted to try a Jungkook's workout routine. Just change my shirt. You guys are probably gonna wonder why there's no continuity in my video. It's the same day, I'm just wearing a different shirt, and I'm gonna start working out now.
Only music in my car is just the AC, and I hate it when we start just like my 6-speed. Know you're clutching hands and feet like how I switch gears. Only difference is I'm silent, you hold back tears till your hands face down, baby. It's not like the times that we shed. There's a tension in the air right now. Got your hands together, what you praying for? You know you do better with someone that's less unstable. Signs say we need space. I tried to beg the universe for grace. It was simpler in summertime 2016, when the sky was burning. We was talking about dreams and the future. Conversations in my backseat, Jameson and caffeine. Secrets kept in between us. Between us, no. Between us. Between us, no. Between us. Sitting shotgun to my ego, heart is racing. And your smile's looking weaker than my patience. In the tremble of your words I hear frustration. But you know I hate myself for the same reason. And I can tell I'm half of that guy. I was when you first started to cry. I can feel the chill in my spine. Just knowing that a part of me died. It was simpler in summertime 2016, when the sky was burning. We was talking about dreams and the future. Conversations in my backseat, Jameson and caffeine. Secrets kept in between us. Between us, no. Between us. Between us, no. It was simpler in summertime 2016, when the sky was burning. We was talking about dreams and the future. Conversations in my backseat, Jameson and caffeine. Secrets kept in between us. Summertime 2016, when the sky was burning. We was talking about dreams and the future. Conversations in my backseat, Jameson and caffeine. Secrets kept in between us. Summertime 2016, when the sky was burning. We was talking about dreams and the future. Conversations in my backseat, Jameson and caffeine. Secrets kept in between us. Summertime 2016, when the sky was burning. We was talking about dreams and the future. Conversations in my backseat, Jameson and caffeine. Secrets. I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out.
I'm gonna be having this pesto pizza for dinner. So instructions: 425 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius, removed from plastic, and then you bake it for about 12 to 14 minutes. It's pretty straightforward, and I don't think you need to put anything underneath. It's just directly on the middle of the oven rack. Unboxing this pizza. Wow. It looks good. I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, so it has cheese, pepperonis, some vegetables. I assume this is tomatoes. And then these green stuff are pestos. So without putting anything, I'm just putting it directly on the rack for 12 minutes.
What would I do? Do-do-do.